So guys, I'm going to make strawberry banana pancakes this morning, and this is flour. So I have strawberries here. Of course, I'm not gonna use all this, and I'm going to use 2 eggs and 1 banana. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. So guys, I've washed this strawberry, so I'm gonna clean them, and then I cut them to pieces, and also I'm gonna peel the banana. So then put it here, and then I'm gonna smash it, and I'm gonna show you after smashing it. So I've used my spoon to smash the banana and the strawberry. So this is the end result. This is okay. So we're gonna put the eggs, and then we put the flour. So I'm going to add a little bit sugar. This is optional. You can add sugar or you don't. I'm just gonna add a little bit, not much, because I'm still using I will use a pancake powder. I'm just gonna stir it nicely. So I'm adding a little bit milk. Just fresh milk, sorry. Just add it a little bit because I want to make like 4 pancakes. So I just added this baking powder, just a little bit. And now I'm gonna add my flour. This is my flour. Yeah. And I'm gonna add it in here. Just like 5 spoons or something. I get a little bit thicker consistency, and then I'm gonna just so this is the consistency that I like, and I'm just gonna fry it. As you can see, guys, yeah, that is the consistency. That's how it looks like. And let's go and make our pancakes. I'm going to be using this batter, and this is what I'm gonna use to make my pancakes. Just put a little bit. Yeah, put a little bit. Let it melt.